There's really nothing more relaxing than to curl up in bed with a good book on a nice fine day. But when was the last time that you were able to do this? Has it been a while now? With lots of things that we do now, we usually can no longer do what we want to do, like reading books. Well-written and entertaining books have long been a way to relax and enjoy or to learn something new. But the main problem with reading books the old-fashioned way is that you have to sit and concentrate with the bulk of the book spread out before you. Not right now, though. People can now enjoy a good book while still doing the work. That is through audiobooks. An audiobook is simply a book that has been recorded into an audio format. This is done by a person reading the book aloud while being recorded into a device. It's more like listening to a song in your MP3 player. Just imagine yourself having someone read the whole book for you. It's very convenient. It's like listening to a song in your music where you can rewind and fast forward. Many audiobooks also feature famous actors reading the books. Some are even read in the format of a play, in which different actors take the parts of the characters in the book. They may also feature sound effects or music to help enhance the listening experience. Why do people right now would prefer audiobooks over paperback books? There are a lot of reasons why. Know more about audiobooks on the next videos. You can also go to http://downloadableaudiobooksfree.com/ or visit the link below.